In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate a three-phase sine wave using a sine wave block in Simulink for a reference signal. Okay, and you will find sine wave block in Simulink library and sources, and here under uh, bottom you will see the sine wave. I am dragging this to my new model, and I am taking a scope to see the output. Okay, so this is all we need. Okay, and inside a sine wave, here I'm taking amplitude 1, it's okay, and frequency I want it as a 60 Hz. Okay, as it is rad per second, we have to multiply it as twice by, and this is 60. Okay, so okay, and frequency is okay, and we have to add a 3 phase here. Okay, for first one is 0 and second one is minus twice by divided by 3. Okay, this will be 2 twice pi divided by 3, and third one is plus twice pi divided by 3. Okay, so that's all you need, and click ok. Okay, uh, sorry, here it will reduce simulation time. Okay, okay, and here this here we need, and I'm taking as stop time as 0.1. Okay, here this will give us wrong wrong output. Okay, if you double click on this, and you can see the output is not so smooth. Okay, and if you use continuous mode, and you have to set the model parameter here, and we have to reuse our max step. Okay, and I'm taking as 1e minus 4, and I'm clicking ok. And if you run this model, and you will see the smooth one. Okay, and you can see the our three-phase sine wave is generated.